Hi buddies, welcome back to another video. I hope you're good, safe and blessed abundantly. If you're new to this channel, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button and join the buddies family. It is fun here, it is nice, it is informative and everything and more. So in today's video, thank you so much for the love and support that I've been receiving from you guys. It is totally amazing. Shout out to you guys, and I hope you guys are very much safe. So in today's video, we're gonna be doing a turmeric mask, right? So because why are we doing this? Because this girl needs some glow and just get rid of the spots that I have. So this is my first time actually trying this mask out, so I'm going to be trying it for 5 days and I'm going to see how that goes. So probably on day 5 I'll include it on this video or on the next video, but we'll see. So let's get straight into this video. Okay buddy, so what you're gonna need is obviously a scuffed-in or container, and I put all my things in Pick and Pay, and plain yogurt, an egg, and okay, this is actually supposed to be here, but it's a turmeric, right? And you're gonna need your honey. Any honey would be fine, and lemon, right? So, and obviously a brush to apply. You can apply with your hand, it doesn't matter. And lastly but not least, you're gonna need your therapy. You need this, honey. So yeah, let's make it and let's apply. So you're gonna need the yogurt, right? So let's just mix it properly. So you're gonna need a spoon. Only a spoon is fine, right? Okay, let's make it 2 because I still have my neck, right? And now your turmeric. Oh, I think I opened it. Ooh. Ew. Alright, then just a spoon of your turmeric, right? So, yep. Ooh, okay, I spilled. And then honey. Spoon also. And your lemon. Just get the lemon juice. Okay, and the most difficult part, guys, you need the I hope I don't mess this thing up. All right, you Modimu. Guys, I think I'm gonna, okay, you only need the egg whites. Okay, I need to watch a video. Oh! All right. I think we are still on the right track. So only the egg whites. I think this is enough, like on a serious note. Because if I open this thing up, all right, I think this is fine. Yeah, I think I got most of it. So now we mix our ingredient. Ooh. So you mix this until it is set. Then we're gonna put it in on the face. Try to mix everything. Guys, I'm so scared about this, but I've been doing a research and apparently it helps. So yeah, still need more mixing. Alright buddies, so the mixture is finished. So here is my mixture. Ooh, I'll spill if I show you guys, but any case, righty, let's get working. Because as I told you guys, you can use your hand or a brush. Ooh, okay, what a whole entire wow. Okay, let me just look at the mirror there. Righty, 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 righty. We want the glow, the glow. Buddy, so I waited for 20 minutes now, so I'm just gonna wash my face off now. Ugh. Okay, so you need warm water. Sorry for the echo, I'm in the bathroom, so yeah, let's just wash this face, and then I'm just gonna use the products that I use. Let's work. So I finished washing my face, pat it dry with the face cloth, and applied my toner to get the excess turmeric out. And yeah, apply my night cream, my IQ skincare, and a Portia M night cream. And don't forget your labello or your lip therapy. On day 3, I used my pomegranate peel off mask. I got it from Click.
I swear when nobody's around, keep my hand around your neck, we connect. Are you feeling it now? 'Cause I am. I got so hot than that, I swear to God, from my feet and lift the ground. Oh yeah, back against the wall, this is all you've been talking about. My ears, and nothing feels better than this. Nothing feels better. Nothing feels better than this. Nothing feels better. I'm not. We don't got it hard. This is what you like, gotta admit. Nothing feels better. Left, right. Take you back from your side, side. Like that, like that. No, left, right. Take you back from your side, side. Like.
Hey buddies, welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for tuning in once again. So today is day 5 of the turmeric mask, and I have to say it has been pretty good. Hey, so the benefits that I saw in this mask obviously is that the glow, I could really like see the glow, and my spots actually not that mad, it's just a little bit it's a little bit faded, yeah, I must say. And also I had no acne, like my no pimples, like honestly, so that was a good thing for me. And also what else, my face was really soft. Like when I wash off the turmeric mask, I could really feel that my skin is soft and just how it should be. It is soft as a baby's bum. But yeah, so I'm just gonna wash off the mask now. I'm just waiting for 20 minutes. And yeah, then after washing, then I'll just let you guys see the glow. And yeah. So here, buddies, here's the results of my face. I don't know if you guys can see. I feel like this camera doesn't show too much justice. Like, you should see me in person, hey. But in any case, I still do have like a little bit of spots, but it's better. I don't want to lie to you guys. It's really better compared to before the mask. And oh, my skin, it's just so soft, guys. Like honestly, it is soft. And yeah, so I feel like the turmeric mask has done its bit. And will I be doing it again? Yes, I will be doing it again, but when I only see that I have like a lot of pimples now. But for now, I'm just good. So yeah, please do let me know in the comment section if you have tried the mask on, or in any social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram. Please tag me if you have. And your thank you, buddies, for watching this whole entire video. Thank you for the like, the comments, and the subscription, and just for stopping by again. Thank you so much. Please do come back next time, and yeah, see you on the next video. I must add, buddies, that be prepared for your sink, especially if it's white, to be like yellow, and your face cloth, like you really need to wash it properly. And also your face in general, use a toner, because look at this. Yeah, so make sure that you are prepared for the yellow stains. Yeah.